Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I do something really different. Now, normally when I do my art videos, I jump in Grille, I get a base image, I open up a vector layer, and then I kind of trace over it, and I mess with a few things. This isn't that. I was recording a podcast today on the new 4 series because it came out, and I was like, yep, I need to get right on that because we've been waiting for it for a while. And near the end, I decided to take a controversial stance. I don't think the new kidney grill sucks. I don't think it actually looks completely bad. I don't think it looks great from a lot of angles. It's really quite iffy, but from a few angles, like the one in this photo, I think it could look actually pretty good, pretty unique, and something you definitely wouldn't mistake for any other car on the road. There's one thing that kills it, though. There's one thing that ruins this rather unique, but I think distinctive new styling that BMW has decided to go for with its kidney grill. And the thing that ruins it is the lower grill and the character line that surrounds it. So right after recording the podcast, I decided, well, you know what? Why don't I get an image, throw it into GIMP, rather than, again, my usual Grille, and see if I can get rid of that, and see what it would look like once you don't have that ridiculous character line in the lower grill. And that's basically what this video is about. Now, I will speed up the footage, of course, after I'm done talking, after I shut up, and then I'll see you guys at the end of the video to talk about what I think of this alteration to BMW's design. But if you enjoy the video, maybe give it a like, maybe share it, comment, maybe subscribe even. And if you do subscribe, please hit the notification bell and all notifications, that way you're notified every time I upload. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Anyway, I will see you all at the end of the video. So we are here at the end of all that editing, and what do you think? Honestly, I quite like it. I think it's still not perfect, and it could still look weird from a few angles, but now the grill really is the focal point of the entire front end. It really is the centerpiece. And so it just doesn't look as, to me, it looks smoother. And with a grill that big and with side vents that big, I'm really not that sure you need the lower grill that's on the original. I don't know. Honestly, I really like it. It reminds me of a lot of older BMWs of like mid to late 60s. I don't know, from the front end, I really like it, especially without, again, the character line and the lower grill. To me, it seems almost more upscale having it like that. But anyway, tell me what you think. Do you think I need to modify it? I'm going to do a few more from a few different angles, but I'm really running out of space on my computer, so I can't really do that. But like I said near the beginning, please support the video, and if you're going to subscribe, hit the notification bell and then all notifications. That way you're notified every time I upload. Tell me what you think about this in the comments below. I'll see you next time.